Hey guys, Jason with Phastek.com, and today we're going to be installing the twin disc RXT clutch from McLeod in our 2010 Camaro SS. Now this clutch will fit your 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS. This clutch is going to come with the pressure plate. It's going to come with both the twin disc. Okay, it's going to come with the steel flywheel in this particular application. We chose to go with the steel flywheel for the simple fact is that we want something that's going to transfer weight to the back tires more than the aluminum style that's also an option that you can get. Aluminum is great for the guy that wants to do some road racing or keep car in high RPMs on the street, but we chose to go with the steel for the simple fact is that we are going to do mainly drag strip stuff with this car. This clutch will hold up to 1,000 horsepower. It's going to come complete with what you see here, along with setup instructions and the alignment tool. So if you're looking for a clutch that has good street ability and that can transfer and hold up to 1,000 horsepower, then this is a good clutch for you.